Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with AdCreative.ai. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in AdCreative.ai in the address bar and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for AdCreative. Now in order to log into your account, simply hover over to the left tab and then you will find the login button. Just click on it and this will then take you into the login page. You will now be able to enter your credentials to log into your account. So just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password. Then finally click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with AdCreative. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with AdCreative. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.